Hi all, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare super healthy and delicious homemade desi ghee. And in case if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to it. Now come, let's start the process. Firstly, I took half kilo fresh cream from milk which I am collecting it from past 10 days. So to collect this cream, I used double toned packet milk. And for 10 days I got this much cream. So now first we'll prepare butter. Take a mixie jar and also take chilled water. First add all the butter into this mixer. Now add little chilled water into this mixer. This water helps to remove butter from cream. Give a blend for 2 to 3 minutes. You can find very thick cream. So now again add little more water and give a second blend for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Since it is a cow milk, you can find this butter little yellowish color. Yes. Now final round of mixer. Add little more water and give a mix for almost 3 to 4 minutes. Yes, that's it. 95% of butter we got it. This is actually fresh butter. You can make it into cubes and you can store it in your freezer for your cooking purpose. Now let's strain all the excess water. Make sure there is no single drop of water in it. Then transfer into a thick vessel to start the ghee process. Compared to buffalo butter, this cow butter is very healthy for kids and everyone. This cow butter looks little yellowish color. Now keep it in a low flame and start melting it. Make sure you are melting it in a low flame. Once you find the bubbles, let's add betel leaf, which is Tamalapaku. This helps to remove all the dust particles and absorb all the bad in it and gives you fresh flavor to the ghee. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you get fresh ghee smell, then take out the leaf, turn off the flame and transfer it into a steel bowl with the help of a strainer. After some time, you can transfer it into a glass jar so that you can store it for a long time. That's it, your homemade desi ghee is ready. And especially for kids, this homemade ghee is very healthy, so all the mothers, I highly recommend to make this for your kids. That's it, friends. If you like this process, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and for more interesting videos, please click the bell icon. If you have any doubts regarding this process, please comment us. Until then, thanks for watching. See you all. Bye-bye.